Hello and thanks for joining today. My name's John Robertson. I do wildlife and landscape photography. Currently I'm in Denali, Alaska, running photography tours. I've got a short video for you today of the Ptarmigan in Denali National Park that I photographed. It's probably been a couple weeks now, and I wanted to share that. Please enjoy. If you could, please like and subscribe to help the channel out. Photographing ptarmigans, found this male right along the creek here. This is a male willow ptarmigan. This is a female willow ptarmigan. This is a spruce grouse. Ptarmigan generally are not very shy, and they don't seem to fear humans. I've had several opportunities to be able to photograph them, and they typically don't fly away or run away. If you're quiet and don't aggressively approach them, they seem to stick around and will even walk up close and coo for you a little bit. So it's not a big challenge to photograph them. However, whenever you photograph wildlife, I recommend that you don't disturb them and that you photograph them from eye level. Thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed.